Most people get this wrong when choosing field service software, and it ends up costing them thousands in wasted subscriptions and lost jobs. The truth is, picking between ServiceTitan and Housecall Pro is not about which one is better overall, but which one actually fits your business size and workflow. In this video, you're going to learn exactly how these two platforms compare in 2026, what each one is best at, where they fail, and which one you should choose based on your business stage. By the end, you'll know exactly where your money should go, and more importantly, where it should not. Let's get straight into it. First, think of ServiceTitan as the heavy-duty enterprise system. It is built for large HVAC, plumbing, and electrical companies that already have multiple trucks, dispatchers, and a high volume of jobs every day. It is powerful, but it is also complex. Many owners underestimate this part and jump in too early. Now here's where it gets interesting. ServiceTitan is extremely strong in advanced reporting, call tracking, marketing automation, and full operational control. But here's the problem. That power comes with complexity and cost. Smaller teams often feel overwhelmed. On the other side, we have Housecall Pro. This platform is designed for simplicity. If you are a solo contractor or a growing team, this is where things start to feel easier immediately. Let's break down real usage. With Housecall Pro, scheduling jobs is fast. You can drag, drop, assign technicians, and send invoices in minutes. Someone like Jake, who runs a small plumbing business, can literally manage his whole day from his phone without needing a full office team. But here's the catch. When Jake starts scaling to 10, 20, or 30 employees, he may start hitting limits in advanced reporting and customization. Now let's talk about ServiceTitan. ServiceTitan shines when your business becomes more like a machine. Dispatchers can manage multiple technicians in real time. You get deep insights like revenue per technician, conversion rates from calls, and even marketing ROI tracking. Now here's where most people fail. They choose ServiceTitan too early because they want the best, but they don't realize they are paying for features they are not even using. Let's talk pricing mindset without getting lost in exact numbers. Housecall Pro is generally more affordable and predictable for small teams. ServiceTitan is significantly more expensive, but it is designed to pay off when you are doing high-volume jobs and need tight control over operations. Now imagine Alex, who owns a growing HVAC company. At first, Housecall Pro helps him get organized, send invoices faster, and reduce missed appointments. But as his company grows, he starts needing deeper analytics and automation. That is where ServiceTitan starts making sense. But here's the turning point you need to understand. If your business is under 5 to 10 technicians, Housecall Pro is usually the smarter move. If you are scaling aggressively, managing multiple office staff, and want enterprise-level control, ServiceTitan becomes the long-term system. Now here's the simple decision rule. If you want speed, simplicity, and affordability, go with Housecall Pro. If you want deep control, advanced reporting, and you are running a larger operation, ServiceTitan is built for you. To wrap it up, Housecall Pro wins for small to mid-sized businesses that want simplicity and fast setup. ServiceTitan wins for large companies that need powerful automation and detailed control. The biggest takeaway is this. Don't choose based on popularity. Choose based on your current size and where your business will realistically be in the next 12 to 18 months. If this helped you understand the difference clearly, like the video, drop a comment with your business size, and subscribe for more honest software breakdowns that help you avoid expensive mistakes.